Thanks, Georgina. My name is Bukky Babajide. I'm the founder of Female Techpreneur, and it's a community of leading ladies leveraging technology. A little bit about myself. My background is IT. I'm an IT consultant, so I help companies, organizations build technical solutions, and part of it is build, test to fit to live launch. So I launched this organization, this community that you can see here, Female Techpreneur, last year March, and what we're trying to do is to help female founders launch or scale their startups. So it's not just female founders only, it's not just female tech only. We're combining the non-tech aspect of it and aspiring business owners that have a concept or an idea to say, we are here to help you. I'm based in Milton Keynes. I live in Milton Keynes now, and I've been living here for the past 16 years. So I'm really happy about the community, and we're looking to get as many females into tech as much as possible.
If I wanted to create an app or I have an idea, is that something that you can help with?
In terms of building mobile applications, that is one of our core product offering. For what I say to startup or anyone with a concept, whether you're tech, savvy or not, is do your research. Don't just go in, don't just run with it and say, this is my vision, this is my idea. Do your research. And one of the things we do is minimum viable products. So we help you to build your MVP so you can test the water. So one of the programs we're going to be running in May is to help people to get to that phase where you come up with your idea, we do the design, we do like whether it's a website, we do a landing page, you get real users to test it, you get your feedback, and it's very, very cheaper way of finding out. I have somebody that came to me that she wants to run a procurement business. She wants to do consultants, and I said, go back and do your research. Something as simple as a survey monkey will save us a lot of pain. Send it out there. Go to your focus points, your friends, your family, everyone around you. Ask the right questions. Get the feedback first. And she came back disappointed that, oh my God, it was just flat. But I said, you have won. You know why? Because now you know better. You didn't go off and start creating programs and start building websites for something nobody needs. So we need to understand our target audience. You need to do that research. You need to make sure there is a need in the first place that you're solving. So my question is, what problem are you solving and who are you solving it for? And do they actually see it as a problem? So we need to do that analysis phase before we start off to go and develop anything. That would be my advice.
Fantastic advice. Exactly. I know lots of people that have built expensive websites and actually it's not hitting a need or solving a problem. Yeah, unfortunately, I speak through painful experience myself as well.
So we have like a 4 steps of how we help founders. And first and foremost is the education piece. So this take care of, I want to validate my concept. I want to be sure whether this is actually viable. So I call that the concept phase. Then we have the launch phase where, okay, I know what I'm doing, but I need help like PR or promoting the business. Then we have the scale where maybe you're after funding on investment. So the way we operate in terms of helping somebody that has a mobile app idea is to take you through that journey, validate your concept, understand your key requirements, and then we have a talent hub where we can literally just build that for you. And what we're saying is you don't need to hire your own developer, your tester. You need to just focus on your business, which is the business that of your idea of how to actually manage that successfully. We'll take the tech side off you. And one of the key things I do is to understand business requirements. Like I said before, document that, we have a walkthrough. So I walk up with my team, we put a team together, we literally just understand, break down to pieces. Then we send the client a proposal. If you're happy with the proposal or you have any feedback, we take your feedback, we roll back again, create an update, send it to you until you're completely satisfied with what we're going to deliver. Then we start to do the design. So we do like the UI UX side of things using design thinking methodology. Who are your users? What are the persona? What are they looking? What are you looking to achieve? Where is your target audience? Once we've done the framework, we've designed it, you walk through with that again. So we always at some point engage with our clients. And when you're happy with that, we move to design phase. And the rest is history. So that's what we do best. It's called Team as a Service.
Could you explain a little bit more about your membership?
Okay, so Female Techpreneur has two tiers of membership. We have the free tier where, if you're just starting up, you just want a little bit or you want to try it and see how it is, you're more than welcome to join us. Then we have the second tier, which is the boss level, where we give you almost every resource you need as a founder to succeed. We have master classes, mastermind sessions. We run startup boot camps. We also do feature founders series. So we give you that spotlight. And it's all about peer-to-peer networking. So you can talk with fellow like-minded women doing amazing stuff, regardless of their journey, because sometimes it can be lonely being in a business by yourself. And we also give you access to our tech team. And currently, we're working on building some like a boutique of services for founders where you don't need to get your HR, you don't need to get your accountancy firm. It's like a wraparound support service to make every tech founder, especially female, we know it's hard to balance everything, to give you that leverage to get the best out of your business or your career, whatever it is. But what we've done for them is to give them opportunity to have access to investors. So one of the startup camp that we did, we had different founders or experts teaching about launching a business from A to Z, sales, marketing, tech solution, all of that business plan. Then towards the end, we had a pitch session with investors, literally going through their pitch deck and giving them feedback. We managed to take two through to next phase following that. So one didn't accept the offer from the investment. The other one had a lot of feedback on what needs to be done again. So we're still in the process of, once they're happy with us telling people about their good news, then we can share that publicly. But it was still work in progress. As you know, March startup, we're a startup ourselves, and we're still in the process of evolving and getting more people on board. So watch out, watch the space. There's going to be more coming out.
It sounds exciting, and I think that's it, isn't it? When you've got an idea for your own business and your own technology, it is quite exciting. Bukky,
I'm a woman in tech because I like to build innovative solutions. I'm somebody that have a lot of ideas. And when I started, I have, and I still do, over 5 websites because of the ideas and because I can design. So my husband got really, at some point, he's like, what are you building again this time? Why don't you let one get airborne? So these are part of the lessons I've learned, during my journey. That because I can build it doesn't make it viable. It doesn't make it a business. So I love developing, and now that I found the strength, that this is my strength in developing ideas and concepts, and I don't have to be the one running with it, if you get what I mean, I'm happy. And so I love creating designs. I love building innovative solutions. I love to impact. So I'm a woman of tech because I want to empower more people. I want more girls to explore this opportunity. It's amazing. When you start from concept, from design, and you see it live, it's like, oh my God, I just get really excited.
that's fantastic, Bukky. So this sounds exciting in May. This is lovely. It's really something that is going to be so useful. How do we get hold of you?
You can get hold of me on my website, is www.femaletechpreneur.com. We have a contact page there. Just drop me an email, we pick it up. And like I said, I don't work alone. This is a community. It's not about Bukky. So I need you as a female tech to join me on this movement. There is so much more we can do together. There's power and collaboration. And I'm still working out, how I can work with different communities, even yourself, Georgina, as we have spoken about it. So come to us, ask whatever questions. If I don't have the answer, if any of my members don't, we'll signpost you to the right people. We're already working with partners, so you're in safe hands. That's all I can say.
I just want to say thank you for your time, really. I really do appreciate the advice that you've given us. So that's really, really special. So thank you.
Thank you so much for having me, Georgina. It's been a pleasure. And when we met and when we're introduced, I was so excited as, there's another female in tech doing amazing stuff in Milwaukee. So well done for what you're doing. And I'm looking forward to the International Women's Day. So I don't know what else to say, but to just thank you for creating this space for women and young girls coming up to see role models, to see leadership, to learn how they can even do other things alongside of the demystifying technologies male dominated. We're going to do this together.